the indoor air quality of
Yes.
the cab. You
Yes.
gave me some interesting insights just a moment ago. What was that about?
Well, we're really focusing on having healthy interiors, what we call health and awareness, health and wellness. And what I was talking to you about before was that a lot of people, many people out there, are rightfully concerned about the environment and the earth and doing positive things for the environment and earth.
Right. But we put our babies inside the car. So tell me
Exactly.
about what that means in terms of your thinking.
Yeah, so we know that customers in particular not only worried about the external environment, they're worried about what we call the me sustainability. And the me sustainability is all about what is the health and well-being of myself and my family.
Right.
And I want to be in an environment that's healthy for my families.
Right.
So if you could design interiors that I could be assured that they're allergy-free, pollen-free, that they're not giving off harmful emissions, I'm really going to be interested in that as a customer. So we're going through and really paying a lot of attention to select materials that provide that healthiest interior possible.
Great job, John. Thank you.
Bill?